And then this is actually a little device to help noise cancellation through your doors.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Oh, you gotta open it up from something.
2-string on the emergency cord.
There you go.
I shook the stuff apart.
This is broke.
Well, just the button.
Oh, yeah. Sweet. So this slid in place?
Yes, we had to.
You got something underneath here?
Yes, I got a 45 AH C-Max.
Okay.
And stuff. That's about it. It's in my wheel well.
Yeah.
I got enough room where I can go bigger, so.
Yes, sir.
I got the SFB 8K, the 4-channel here, and I've got a Dayton DSP, and then this is actually a little device to help noise cancellation through your doors.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
And stuff. Yeah, something we tried out and it actually worked out.
Sweet. Nice.
Yeah, and it's the 2 platinum.
All right, out here. And you got AC?
Yeah.
Have you ever had someone drive the back seats before?
No.
No.
No. It's definitely my biggest
Wow.
so far.
Are these resilient? What are they? 12s?
No, 15.
15s. Oh, yep, you're right. 15s.
The platinums.
Platinum 15s. All right. Very nice. Did you ever get it metered?
Yes, I did a 150.2 in the seat, a 151 in the windshield, and almost a 52 in the
Nice. Wow.
So
50s
and
overall.
That was at 42 hertz.
42. Okay.
It's tuned at 32, but it peaks at 42. So.
Okay. Nice. I'd love to hear it, man.
All right.
Boom, baby.
Baby. I'm hoping, I can't wait to see it ruckus because I'm getting ready to change the doors, get ready to wrap it in black, do purple splatter, fix my boom baby lights, deaden the doors, because the doors ain't dead, plus I'm getting all the plastic changed, everything.
Oh, you're going to have huge cosmetic appearance, everything.
Yeah,
awesome.
So I'm going for the
yes, sir.
looks, so.
Daryll, right?
Yep.
Awesome. Give a light to Daryll.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around. We got a Daryll system boom baby at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. Give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment what you like about his system. Definitely a really fancy system to fit 2 15-inch subs and a nice clean install, and purple pretty much everywhere. Definitely Daryll likes purple. So amplifier staging on top of the box. I didn't really get to see actually how the port was, but I'm pretty sure it was on the left side based on the demo video. You can see a lot of pressure coming off of that left side or right side, depending on how you look at it. And the way he has his roof braced, I'm sure that definitely helped his SPL score. It doesn't look the prettiest, but it got the job done. And you're going to see during the demo as well, there's a lot of fur flex action up here in this top area. So as you get to the demo, you kind of notice the different areas with how much flex is coming from the subwoofers, and all the panels pretty much seem like they're breaking apart during system demos like this. So impressive to see 8,000 watt RMS system on these 2,000 watt RMS subs and this 15-inch subwoofer trunk system. So if you haven't already, welcome to my channel. Hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on. I do daily videos every day, as well as check me out on all my other social media for if you want to see more. So enjoy.
for my man. About to play with these bands. About to play with these bands. You can't come to their land. Got that bitch in my hand. That motherfucker gon' dance. We not kings. No, we not fans. But I said these trends. Put a bitch in the biz. Dirty money got plans. Got my jumper down the jail. She invites her friends. They my type.
What was that song? I don't know if you know. That was pretty good. It's a pretty good beat song. Don't worry about it if you don't know. Wow.
It's called 100 Racks.
100 Racks, 35 to 52. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, that was.
It's stuff.
Yeah.
I was hoping. I can't wait to see it ruckus because I'm getting ready to change the doors. Get ready to wrap them in black.
Okay.
Do purple splatter.
Yes, sir.
Fix my boom baby lights. Deaden the doors because the doors ain't dead. Plus, I'm getting all the plastic changed. Everything.
Oh, you're gonna have huge cosmetic appearance. Everything.
Yeah,
awesome.
So I'm going for the
yes, sir.
look, so.
Daryll, right?
Yep.
Awesome. Give a like to Daryll, YouTube Boom Baby. He's all over Facebook
Let me
too.
let you out because the handle's broken.
They said problems. All right. Everybody, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.